Hello everyone, if your YouTube recap is not appearing on your YouTube account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix YouTube recap not appearing on your account easily. So first up, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to youtube.com, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your profile, you're going to click onto your data in YouTube here, and here you need to scroll down until you find YouTube watch history. You're going to click on here. And here you need to make sure that your YouTube history is turned on. So if your YouTube history is turned off, then you will not get a YouTube recap. So your YouTube history needs to be turned on. And after that, you're going to click manage history. Here you can see saving your YouTube history for me. If it says it's not saving your YouTube history, you will not get your recap. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your YouTube account is not a brand account. So just click on your account. So just click on your account and click manage account then. And once you're here, if it says it's a brand account, as you can see here, then you will not get a YouTube recap as well. So you need your account to be a personal account and not a brand account. And if your YouTube account is not a brand account and it's a personal account, then you will need to wait a few days, like 1, 2, or maybe even 3, 4 days, because YouTube recap is still slowly rolling out to users worldwide. So just wait for your YouTube recap to appear. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.